All right, hi boys and girls. So glad to see you again. I'm going to do a little bit of reading. So today, make sure you have your paper and pencil, something to write with. You can pause the video here if you need to get it. I'm going to tell you a little story. Okay, so I want you guys to listen carefully. The day of my wedding was a very special day for me. I remember I had a long white dress on, and my cousin fixed my hair nicely. I had jewelry on that day, and me and my husband were married outside as the sun was going down by the lake. The sky was so pretty as it changed colors. We ate fajitas, we danced, and laughed the whole night. It is a day I will always remember. Now, who's the story about? Who did all this happen to? Who knew all the details? You're right, me. I hope that's what you said. This is an example of a personal narrative. And you can see the word person, right? So that means that when you write a personal narrative, it has to do with a person. And the person that this was about was me, right? So, personal narrative has to be true. It has to be something that happened to you, and you are the one telling me about it. Okay? Just like my story. And I'm going to show you now some photos from my wedding so you can see what I'm writing about. So you know that it is true and that it happened to me, and that's why I am telling you about it. So here's some pictures. I'm sorry they're a little blurry, but this is what I could find. So you can see here my long white dress on, and this is my husband. And we were married outside by the lake. Here's the lake. And you can even see the sky change. So you can see here the sky is more like blue and white, and then it changed as the sun was going down. Remember, I included that detail in my narrative, and now it's more like kind of pink, orangey. So it looked really nice. So now, remember yesterday, your activity was to create that graphic organizer. So you wrote some of your favorite memories, right? Maybe your favorite memory was, oh, my favorite sport, my favorite gift, my favorite party, my favorite holiday. Okay, so my memory was me getting married. You remember I put that in my graphic organizer yesterday, right? So you're gonna pick one memory, okay? And if you have your sheet of paper, you can go ahead and fold your sheet of paper in half. Just like you see on the screen. And on one side, you're going to write, oh no, sorry guys, I can't see you're going to write my favorite memory and then reasons why it is special or important, just like you see. And you can pause the video here. I'm going to keep going though. So my memory was me getting married, right? Why was it special? Why is it important to me? Well, it was important because I dressed up, right? I had a long white dress. But somebody might ask you, well, how did it look? What do you mean you're dressed up, right? Because they weren't there. I was there. So they might ask me that. Well, I had a long, pretty white dress, okay? Why was it important to me? It was a big party. Somebody might ask me, well, what do you mean it was a big party? Where was your party? Well, it was outside by the lake with lots of people. Why else was it important to me? All my family and friends were there. Well, somebody might ask me, well, what happened? What did you all do together? Well, we ate, we danced, and it was fun. It made me feel happy. Okay? So you have to think about what questions might people ask me because they weren't there. Okay, so when you're writing about your memory, make sure you think about questions people might ask. They're going to want details. They're going to want you to explain because they weren't there. Okay, now your personal narrative, what you're writing, your paragraph, should have a topic sentence. You can see topic sentence is green. So I want you to kind of think of like a traffic light when you're driving, right? I know y'all don't drive. Hopefully you don't drive, but you've seen your parents drive. So when you hit a green light, what do? They go, 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 right? So your topic sentence tells the reader what the paragraph is about. Okay, so this is you're starting your sentence and you're gonna go, go, go from here. Okay, so remember, topic sentence tells us what is this paragraph about? Where is this paragraph going to go? Okay, and you only need about one of those. Then your supporting sentence, that's yellow, because what happens when you get to a yellow? You slow down. So your supporting sentences, you're going to slow down and you're going to explain it to us. Okay? Explain and tell us interesting facts and details. What happened? So when you get to your supporting sentences, you're going to slow down, explain, tell us what happened. Who was there? What did it look like? Where were you? You know, what interesting things happened? Include all those details. So you're going to have about 3 to 4 sentences, okay? And then your concluding sentence. And your concluding sentence is in red because this means that you're going to what? Stop, okay? You're finished with your paragraph, and so now you're going to put your last thought and you're going to stop the paragraph. You're finished with it, okay? So just remember, like a traffic light, topic sentence means you're going to go. Go and tell us, what is this paragraph about? What is your memory about? Supporting sentence, yellow. You're slowly telling us what happened. What are the details? Explain it to us. Okay? Remember, you're thinking about what questions I might ask you, and you're going to put those in your writing. And then your concluding sentence, remember, that means you're going to stop. You're going to stop your paragraph, write your last thought, and then you stop it. Okay? Now, so let's go back and check. Did mine have the green, the yellow, and the red? Okay? So the day of my wedding was a special day to me. That is my green. So I'm going to highlight it green. Okay? So I'm telling you, what is this paragraph about? I'm going to go and tell you about my wedding and why it was special. What goes next? See, we have our paragraph, topic sentence about my wedding. Now I need my supporting sentences. So let's see. I remember I had a long white dress on. Oh, that's one detail. I'm telling you, what did I have on? A long white dress. My cousin fixed my hair nicely. Okay, they fixed my hair up. Who did it? My cousin. Oh, I even had jewelry on that day. That's another detail. Me and my husband were married outside as the sun was going down by the lake. That's another detail. Where were you married? Outside, by the lake. The sky was so pretty as it changed colors. That's another detail. We ate fajitas. We danced and laughed the whole night. Another detail. Somebody might ask me, well, what did you guys eat? What did you guys do? What happened that night? Yeah, I'm explaining it to you. We ate fajitas, we danced, we laughed. So that means that that last sentence that I should have left should be my what? My stopping, right? I'm going to put my last thought and then I'm stopping it. Okay? It was a day I will always remember. And that is my stopping right there. Okay? Oops, sorry. I didn't highlight it. That is my red. I'm stopping right there. All right. So you're going to now do the same. But first you need to fill out this. So remember, you need to pick a memory and you need to write down reasons why it's important. And think about what kind of questions people might ask you. You need to write those things down. When you're ready, you're going to pick one of these boxes, any of them, and then you just start typing on it. put your name where it says name. And just type. Write your paragraph here on the back first, okay? On the back first, and then when you're ready, you can start typing, okay? I'm just gonna pretend, right? I'm typing. And then I want you to go ahead and highlight using the different colors. So remember, this should be my green. I'm going and I'm telling you what is happening. What is this story going to be about? Then your yellow. You should have a lot of yellow, right? Because you're telling me all these details. So these should all be my yellow. You should be answering any questions I have here. And then remember, at the end will be your red. You're stopping, okay? And all you have to do, in case I went too fast, you just highlight, go up to the marker, highlight, and you pick your color. Okay, guys? All right, sounds good. I can't wait to see these.